This is a 2010 Ford Escape. This crossover has an automatic transmission, a 3.0-liter V6, and the added safety and control of four-wheel drive. Its top features include Bluetooth cell phone integration, a sunroof, commercial-free satellite radio, a multi-link rear suspension, traction control and stability control systems, aluminum wheels, roof rails, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: a power driver's seat, air conditioning, cruise control, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, an illuminated driver's side vanity mirror, side curtain airbags, rear seat child-proof door locks, a pass-through rear seat, steering wheel mounted controls, and an auxiliary power outlet. Stop by today and test drive this automobile for yourself.
Wayne Ford is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is as pleasant as possible. We're located at 444 Route 46 in Wayne.